Pick the game you want to play most.
Hi!
There are many kids playing in the park. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to order. The customer didn't patty a cucumber burger. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Egg. Swipe left and right to cook it faster. Patty. Cucumber. Pick your favorite sauce and squeeze it on the burger. Wow, the burger's ready. Wow, what a delicious burger! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! The movie theater is starting the show! It's so crowded there! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Out of gas? Go refuel! Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car! Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to order this caramel popcorn. Choose! Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredient white sugar, butter, corn kernels. Stir it. The ingredients are mixed well. Wow, the kernels are turning into popcorn. You're great! Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent! You've cut a lot of fruit! Press the button to start juicing! Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice. Wow! You've made delicious juice! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! All sold out! Time to pack up and go home! You've reached the finish line! Time to draw a prize!